International News and Politics aziak tu CT lalrin oma China President in do tura in bo sai turin afui USA le China in kar boruak chhejol zel Hong Kong trapin an rum don tunlai COVID-19 shipui leng awangin khovel ramtin an boilui lui lain khovela economic power chakpani China le US in kar boruak thalo chuan relam ain zualam apan zela an boruak a chheta le China President Xi Jinping chuan Chinese Armed Forces chu ram himna le veng him tura in do tura in buasaya in tichak sau turin afoi President Xi hi China Central Military Commission chairman ania ama anga president thil ti theile chak an omlova Communist Party din chuak tu Mo Se-tung nuaya China ram president thil ti thei ber ani US President Donald Trump chuan Chinese Communist Party ten khir le khau taka Hong Kong thunun na tura dan pui siam an tum National Security Law anga Hong Kong rorel na aom ani chuan China chu shremlovin a chuak don lo ti in Hong Kong chuan khovela financial hub ani na a hlo thei ani atia shrek na le shrem na chu natak aniang ati lain kim chang ero asoilo ni khat nuwa le kar khata a hriat mayang ti in President Trump chuan reporters zona achang Donald Trump soi pakhat zinga chuan China atanga zirlai le research te thin USA le khazir le thilzir research ti mi te tan kongkharin visa khwakhir saka China chu avawani Kayleigh McEnany White House thupong tu chuan China in Hong Kong a thunun vek chuan financial hub sumdona le sumhmuna khopui anina an hlo vek theyang ati China ramin Hong Kong thunun na tura dan chak le khau tak siam atum hi kum samni chung khan a om ngai lova Hong Kong mi puiten norna an huai hot po a tukzal le met turin China chuan security force te a in bo sai tir meka riot police ten uluk takin training an la mek ni in South China Morning Post chuan atarlang COVID-19 hri wangin China le USA chu tidar tu zoka anin pu tona May ni somni paruka Johns Hopkins University data chuan USA a ringot COVID-19 veitu chu makte doi som paruk ting chho to in thizat po hi singkwa sang riat somthum pali an ting to ati amba ero chu a thizat tak hi a figure dik taka soi thei ani lova tundin huna chuan he aya an tam le to rin ani Daily Express chuan May ni somni pakhat khan khovel puma COVID-19 veitu nuai samnga pakhat singruk sangruk zariat som pakhat omin thizat hi nuai thum sing thum sang ni zariat somsari pariat damle to maktadoi ni singruk sangruk zathum som paret an om ati USA chu COVID-19 chungchanga China pu chereng lo turin le rin thil thu conspiracy theory vordar follow turin aphuta USA chu do soya le political virus tidara puin tundin hmuna Cold War boruak athleng mek ani ati wangi chuan Sino le USA in leichina achemeka silaimu telova indona thar Cold War thleng mek ti in asoi chuak ta ani Gordon Chang Asia political expert and author chuan Xi Jinping chuan COVID-19 khan khovel tuamse adu ani January ni somhnia China sarkar chuan coronavirus chu mishing le mishinga in kai chon thei ti chu khovel hriata apuang chawa December sang ni sampakwa karni na a Wuhan doctor le thunei tu ten chu an lo hradai to a hretu te ka hup be sak an ni ati President Trump chuan World Health Organization WHO po China du dana an khuang ben ruala lam alo ti khum sak to ani US Senate chuan US ramdan nuaya China company samthum pathum chuang shremna le shrekna tur dan siam to a House of Representative lamin an pass vele huna President Donald Trump an mingzi hnanin manzui thei ani to ang he dan hian China atilung nur hle USA dan anga endik thei vek ani don ani India le China inkar boruak po May thatir atangin athalawa Ladakh vuram khowata po omma se Indian sipei te le Chinese sipei People's Liberation Army te inkar chu lum chho tak ani wa pui chap kang al hluah thei din hmuna an ding ve mek India le China hian ramri kilometer sang thum zali samkwa le pariat asai ven him tur an nei Global Times soidanin President Xi chuan People's Liberation Army PLA le People's Armed Police Force PAPF te chu indona a chak ngei tura in buat sai sau le in tuai thar turin a fui ati tunkar thawtran ni khan China longlian chu thataka an thuam that nuwa South China Sea tuipui zau taka huel sangha tui cheng anga leu kwal vel turin tirchhuana an neya soi ani he indo longlian sandong hi December thla khan siam that ania China chuan a defense budget chu nikuma 6.6% anti punlain kumina 7.5% zetin anti pungchho Ukian PLA thupong tu chuan China chuan homeland le tuipui le ramdang overseas a beina ma chon thei tura in bo sai angai ani ati Asian Nikkei ji danin Sino le USA trade war kal zela China chuan a poisa hlutna a hlau chho meka kumsang ni pariat February thla a hlutna hli na din hmuna ading chho mek ati China Central Bank People's Bank of China chuan thawtran ni khan yun RMB hlutna chu US dollar khata 7.12 ania zirtop ni khan 7.14 a om ati sang ni som pakwa kuma trade war tirvelin US dollar khat le yun 7.2 te kain Chinese sum chevel a khoi chena sa le China chuan COVID-19 wangin anrama sumdong tu tele mipui chanpui economic stimulus nan yun trillion 3.6 US dollar 504 billion z athe chuak don bok heti lai hian Israel rama COVID-19 vaccine chuina le siamna chu cyber attackers ten an beya laboratory le websites zachuang an khoi sakni in the Jerusalem Post chuan atar lang Israeli National Cyber Directorate Chief Yogal Wuna chuan websites zachuang fe Hebrew le English aziana bitumin bei ani ati Lotem Finkelstein Cyber National Director chuan heng cyber attackers hi hackers of savior tia localin Turkey Muslim ram North Africa le Gaza Strip atangin a local ani ati ole khatizong kha tunata na karon tirik theite chuania a lepeka thubeng war thlak tak tak karon chhop chuak le zel don nia